Are you struggling to make consistent profits whilst day trading? You might be making some of these major mistakes that are causing you to lose out big time. Stick around with me today. I'm going to break down the major pitfalls and how to avoid them, and you can start trading smarter. Hi everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to dive into the most common mistakes that day traders make, but more importantly, how to avoid them. Whether you're just starting out or looking to fine-tune your trading strategy, this video is going to help you on the path to success. So let's get into it. One of the biggest mistakes that we actually see is overtrading. It's placing too many trades in a single day. What you have to remember is that it's quality over quantity that we're going for. Focus on high probability setups rather than chasing every opportunity. A lack of risk management can absolutely blow up your account. Always set stop losses and never risk more than 1 to 2% of your account in a single trade. Protecting your capital should be your absolute top priority. Going into a trade without a clear plan is a recipe for disaster. Always know your entry point, your stop loss, and your target profit before executing the trade. Treat trading like a business, not a gamble. Fear, greed, and frustration can really cloud your judgment. If you find yourself revenge trading after a big loss, or maybe holding on to a losing trade for too long, just take a break and reset the mindset. The markets are constantly changing. What worked yesterday might not necessarily work today, so always stay flexible and be ready to change your strategy based on the market trends and conditions. These mistakes are all too common, but the good news is they are avoidable with the right approach and discipline. By focusing on proper risk management, having a clear plan, and keeping your emotions in check, you will set yourself up for success. If you found this video helpful, then drop us a like, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notifications so that you never miss another update. Also, comment below of which mistake that you've actually struggled with the most, and we thank you for watching. Please join us in the next video.